How to switch business account to private account on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device. You can see I have professional dashboard here in my profile, which means my profile currently is a business account. So in order to switch it to private account, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Under for professionals, tap on business tools and controls. You will see the option for switch account type. Tap on that and now tap on switch to personal account. In the pop-up that appears, tap on switch to personal account again. Now go back to your profile and you can see I no longer have the professional dashboard on my profile, which also means that I have successfully switched to private account from business account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.